Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric with Veterans by Design, and today I brought along Eric to show us a new tool. Thanks, Eric. So we're really excited to be unboxing a new tool for our workshop, or well, his workshop, but whatever. Funny. Well, it sounds exciting. So what did you bring for us today? I am so glad you asked because today we're going to be unboxing WEN. What? That's right. We're going to be unboxing the product WEN. Huh? No, I thought we were doing it now. What are you talking about? Like, we're going to be in, aren't you paying attention? We're going to unbox the product by WEN. Are you hearing yourself? I mean, we don't need to know what time we're doing it right now. They need to know what it is. Not the time frame when. We're going to be unboxing this bandsaw made by WEN. I mean, I don't know what's right here. Why didn't you just say so? Just tell us it was the product. Listen, now we're all confused. Listen, you really went there? Really? Well, just go grab the knife from over there and fine. Okay. Listen, I'll go get the knife and I'll just go get it. Hold on. Anyways, sorry about that, y'all. So again, we're going to be unboxing and kind of assembling and maybe do a little review of this WEN bandsaw. It's model number BA3959. You know what BA stands for? It's bad to the bone. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad mamma jamma as we go. Wonder how long it takes to go get a knife. I mean, literally, it's just in the other side of the room. Eric, you find that knife yet, dude? Come on now. Come on, Jimmy. I gotta do everything myself. What the heck? What the, how the heck does a knife get there? Eric, did you just, hello? Well, I guess I can go ahead and start unboxing. All right, so let's look inside the box. We have our instruction manual. We have a miter gauge. It's got an aluminum bar with a plastic gauge setting. Put that over here. Then we have our fence. So again, looks like an aluminum fence, metal clamp, and adjustable bit. We have some knobbies for the, I think for the drawer openings. And we have our base plate. So base plate, pretty light. We've got a gear for changing the angle of our table. And I guess, well, let's see, under this bad thing of styrofoam is the actual saw. Let's see. Ooh, work smarter, not harder. All right. That works. Whew, that was really easy. Nice. I like working smarter, not harder. So let's get this. All right, so now we need to set up a table with our slotted groove from the back side forward. So put in there, and now we have to pull out on the gear so it can fit in the two holes. And then this is actually what turns our table. There we go. It's on 0. I know you can't see it. So it's pretty rigid now. It ain't moving. Now I just got to put my washer or my nut bolt washer, lock washer on this side and tighten it down. And we're gonna do the same thing for the knob on the bottom drawer, and then you can see the bandsaw. And now we got to make sure that our blade is tracking. Right now our blade is pretty much towards the inside, and when you roll it, it stays on the far side of the unit.
What just happened? I totally lost my mic volume apparently. What I am trying to show you that is by turning this knobby deal left to right, it will adjust the blade on the bandsaw inward or outward till you get right in the center of the track. That is the best place for optimal cuts. So in about 2 more seconds, I will get my voice back and pick it up from there. So here we go.
Gonna wing that down for that. And double check it. Let's go ahead and close it up and try our first cut.
All right, y'all. It's time to get jiggy with it. See what I did there? I'm making this charcuterie board jig. Dad jokes. Anyways, so this is not the first cut, as you can see by all the shavings everywhere. However, it is doing really, really well uncutting through this plywood. I was quite impressed. Blade's pretty flexible, and I like how it's cutting. So I'll let Erik finish up here and let him explain his thoughts. So take it away, Erik.
Man, Erik, this was pretty amazing. I am really impressed with how well this WEN bandsaw performed with this plywood. I mean, we had not done hardwood yet, but you know, as a matter of the plywood, it's pretty smooth. What do you think, Erik? Absolutely, Erik. I mean, I couldn't agree more. I mean, this product was really good. It was kind of like butter on a log, yo. I mean, it is really impressive. I mean, to make this charcuterie board template is pretty cool. So I'm really impressed with all the products we've gotten. I mean, we've got the extractor up there, got the WEN mobile base. We're gonna be unboxing the drill press. This bandsaw is just pretty BA, as the name states. So that's right, y'all. So we got a couple more things to do to finish up this project, but as Erik said, we're going to be getting this drill press unboxed, doing a couple more things, and then we will check you out on the next video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. See you guys later.